So, you have decided to buy a Desiccant dehumidifier. When do you need a Desiccant dehumidifier? Well, you need a Desiccant dehumidifier when you have temperatures that are going up and down, when you have 20 degrees one day or you have 2, 3, 5 degrees another day. So, when you have fluctuating temperatures, it's very important to use a Desiccant dehumidifier, because a normal dehumidifier will handle the temperature well when it's normal indoor temperature, but when you're coming down below 10 degrees, then a normal dehumidifier is no good. Then you need a Desiccant dehumidifier. Well, probably you already know that. So let me give you some examples of Desiccant dehumidifiers, and also let me point out this version because that's a very special one. This first one here is called Arida Sandefjord. That's a basic Desiccant dehumidifier, has all the functions you need, but not more. Then you have the Arida Oslo. As you see, it's the same box, it's the same model, so to say, but you have a digital display on top, so you can see the humidity in the room, you can have more things to play with, and also you have Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your phone and use the app to control the dehumidifier, and also to control the dehumidifier when you're not in the location where the dehumidifier is. So if you have it in your basement and you want to sit in your sofa, well, connect it through Wi-Fi. I told you this is a special one. This is called Arida S9L. And what's special with this one? Well, the secret is on this side. Because if I take off this air filter, you will see I've got another air filter. This is a HEPA filter. Why do you need a HEPA filter in the Desiccant dehumidifier? Because a Desiccant dehumidifier, you often use it in places where the temperature is low and you don't have control of the environment. So you have a lot of pollutants in the air, you have dust particles, you have pollen, nasty things like that. And then it's important to have a really good filter to protect the machine. This filter will clean the air so that you breathe better air, but it will also protect the machine from all these things in the air, so that the machine will live longer, use less electricity, and be a good Desiccant dehumidifier over many years. In addition to this HEPA filter, you also have a charcoal filter. This charcoal filter is removing VOCs, chemicals from the air, protecting you from more nasty stuff in your basement, garage, or wherever you have it. So, if you know that you need a Desiccant dehumidifier, but you know that, well, the environment there isn't perfect, S9L could be the right dehumidifier for you. Thank you.